In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy coins online. Coins are Line's in-app currency, and you'll use them to grab stickers, themes, and other extras. I'll guide you through the exact screens you'll see so your purchase is quick, secure, and hassle-free. Start by launching the Line app on your phone. A stable internet connection helps here because payment windows need a solid signal. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign into your account. This links the purchase to your profile so your coins show up on this device and any others where you use the same account. From the Home tab, look to the top right corner and tap the Settings gear. This opens the app's controls and account options. Take your time. Icons can be small, so a precise tap helps avoid backing out to another screen. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Coins and tap it. This page shows your current balance and provides access to purchase choices. If it's not immediately visible, keep scrolling. Depending on your region or app version, the list can be longer than expected. On the Coins page, tap Buy in the upper right area. You'll see several coin bundles, each with the total coins and the price in your local currency. Review the options and select the bundle that fits your needs. Larger bundles sometimes include bonus coins, so check the totals carefully before you continue. When you pick a bundle, your device will display a system authentication prompt. You might see Face ID, Touch ID, your device passcode, or a Google password prompt. This is normal. It's the App Store verifying that you authorize the purchase. Authenticate the billing window to charge your preferred App Store payment method. On iPhone, that's the Apple App Store. On Android, it's Google Play. If this is your first in-app purchase, your device may ask you to confirm or add a payment method before it proceeds. After you approve, wait a moment without closing the app. Your coin balance should refresh shortly, and a receipt will arrive from your app store. You're all set. You've bought coins online. Before you dive into shopping, double-check the updated balance. Keep purchase authentication turned on to prevent accidental taps and review any taxes or fees shown at checkout. If the balance doesn't update right away, give it a minute and make sure you're still online. Enjoy your new coins and have fun customizing your Line experience.